guys, it's Jackie, and I am here because we're doing makeup, because that's what I do here. We are going to use this LA Colors Color Palette today and create this lovely look. And also try a new lip. If you want to know what I'm wearing on my lips, you'll have to watch until the end because that's where the lip color comes in. So yes, if you're interested in this look, then stay tuned. Okay, so first things first, just want to throw this out there. Let's discuss the sounds of Beauty Obsessions with Jackie's household. You can probably hear right now the dryer. That is the sound you may hear while I'm filming. You may sometimes hear the washer, although I try not to use the washer because it shakes everything when I'm filming. You may know, there's no may because I've heard it in every video, the furnace. You will hear the furnace. You may hear my cat. You may hear my dog. And you may hear my child. These are all things you may hear during a filming session at the Beauty Obsessions with Jackie household. Just so you know, there's background noise and I can't really do anything about it. So that's first, because I'm doing laundry and I know you can probably hear that dryer. But today we are going to do some eye makeup. We're going to try, since I liked my look with the nude LA Color Palette, I thought, well, let's try the color LA Color Palette. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to make a look with this. There is no transition shade in here. This happens every time, I swear. Every time I use LA Colors, I'm like, ooh, there's no transition shade, or all the shades are shimmery, or, oh. So, okay, shoot. I don't want to go outside the LA Color palette to create a look. I feel like I have to, but I'm going to not allow myself to. So we are just going to have to make something work. Okay, so I guess we're gonna try this lid color. If you just, use a very light amount, you might be able to get away with it being a transition shade. These colors, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but these colors don't really seem to go together. I don't know. We're gonna go in with the black, I guess. So we're just gonna go in with the black in the crease and outer corner. We're gonna try to make sure we end up blending that out really well. Use this eyeshadow brush. We are just gonna go for it. Hopefully if we blend it out enough, it'll be more of a gray than a black and will be like real deep black. I kind of like that. It's not too dark. It's kind of like a blackish gray. I like that some blacks you can blend out to be gray, but then at the same time, sometimes it's like, but I want it to be black. But no, right now, I am liking that blended out the way it did. I don't know what is, I'm going through a little phase, I guess, where I really like the grungy looking eye makeup looks. So I'm gonna grunge it out because I'm in the grungy mood lately. I'm gonna use this grungy gray silver. I don't even know what color you would call that. It's grungy. That's what color I call it. I call it grungy. Ooh. Oh, that's a little more silver than grunge. Oh, looks grungier in the pan. Really, Jackie? That whiny? Like, okay, so here it is on my eye. It's like gray. Here it is in the pan. Does that look the same? Oh, maybe. Ugh. Maybe. I don't know. It has flakes of other colors in the pan. Whatever. Here we go. I'm going to go into this blue. I'm going to put that just between, like, next to the black, over the silver. You'll see. I don't really know how to explain that. So, yeah. Just give it a little pop of something so it's not so, you know what I mean? Okay, I'm going to go in with a crease brush and I'm going to go back into that gray color and I'm going to just use it to blend that in with the blue. Just a little. Go back into that black. Blend that into the blue. Into the crease. A little better. All right, I'm going to take this BH Cosmetic brush. And I'm going to go into this purple crease shade right there. And I'm going to run that along the bottom just to give us a little more color. Just another different fun color. Okay, and on the outer side, we're going to just use that black just to kind of connect it. So it connects. Looks like it's all together. I feel like that blue just isn't doing what I want it to do. I want it to stay. I feel like it's just fading away. I don't know why. Now it's there. Let's hope it stays there. So I'm going to use this metallic eyeliner by LA Colors and Purple on the bottom. Get a Q-tip. I should have opened this first. Okay. Huh. It's a little dry. Alright, so do the best I can lining it, and then I'm gonna take this, dip it in that purple, and just kind of stamp it on top of the liner. See if I can't get it to stay. It's here's that. Use the E.L.F. eyeliner. Line the eyes. Dropping Kleenexes. Well, I'm gonna pop on some lashes and I'll be back. Okay, my lashes are on. Now, the only thing left, because I already sprayed my Hard Candy Long Wear setting spray. Now I need to do my lips, and my husband bought me this Wet n Wild Fuchsia with Blue Pearl lipstick that I haven't tried yet. And I thought, ooh, blue, purple, let's give it a try. Ooh, it's so pretty. Fuchsia Blue Pearl. Look at it. Such cute packaging. Ready? See how that's shaped? That's cool. Very cute, very cute. All right, so I definitely don't have a lip liner to match this, so we're not gonna have a lip liner. Ooh, very bright. Doesn't really match my eyes like I thought it might, but clearly Clearly I was wrong. But it is pretty. So, what do you think? I think the color is awesome. Color is stunning. Does it go with this eye look? No, it does not. But I don't care because it's pretty. I probably won't wear it all day, but for just to try it out, it has like a blue shift to it. That must be the blue pearl. I really like this. It's very, and it feels very moisturizing on my lips. It's not dry. It glided on nicely. So yeah, I like that. That's awesome. So yay, fun lips. Okay. So yeah, that is today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed yet. I would love to have you. And hopefully I hit 200 by now. I was one off yesterday, so I hope so. And hit the little bell. I think it's over here. Hit the little bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation and be alerted as soon as my videos upload. Yeah. And head on over to my Beauty Obsessions with Jackie Facebook page. There's a link in the description box. There you will see looks that I have done in the past, as well as sneak peeks of upcoming looks, in case you're curious what may be coming next. So yeah, head on over and like that page. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.